In this video, I'm going to how to use the Canva AI to design wedding invitations. So I'm going to go and this is my Canva. I'm on canva.com, and once I'm here, I can see Canva AI directly from there. So once you click on it, you can always come to design, okay, where you can see cards and invitations. So we can click, can select the category, what type, is it this horizontal, vertical, or a postcard. So let's say I'm going to use something like this, and I'm going to give it a prompt. Depending, design a luxurious Nigerian Yoruba wedding invitation card featuring his rich royal blue and gold colors, traditional asoke patterns, subtle talk drums motifs, elegant floral borders, and so on. So these are the details. I'm going to go ahead and say send to this, and let's see what this Canva AI is going to design for us. And take a look at what it has designed for us. So this one, okay, you can see the design, you can see the elegance in everything. You can select that you want to see the other ones. If this is not what you want, you can see. And the best part of it is that any section of the invitation is editable. For example, if this is what you want, you can click and you can see you can use it in Canva editor, and then you can go ahead and edit your content. So this is it. We can go ahead and double click, for example, or sheet. For example, you can just select this and you can reduce the size of it, something like this. And you can put other details, any of this section as well. There's editable, including this. You can select and replace them with something, and you can change the coloration as well to maybe something whitish. Now, if you are done, this is what you want, and you want to download it, you can come to share. You can go to download. You can say PNG, or if you prefer it in PDF standard, you can just go ahead and download. You can see it in here. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.